Hi everybody, I'm Dakshamati. In this video, I'm going to show my creator award from my YouTube guys. Okay guys, yeah, my channel reaches 100k subscribers. So YouTube said this award, it's a YouTube creator award. I'm going to show this award right here guys. So, okay guys, so thanks for the YouTube for sending this a wonderful award to me guys. And you know that thanks for the subscribers and my viewers for watching our channel guys and support us guys. Okay guys, so we just uploaded men's fashion and lifestyle videos. So you usually know this guys. So I'm gonna say that I'm gonna show this award to you guys. So thank you for sending this award to you for YouTube, and thanks for subscribers guys. Okay, let's get to the video. Okay, here is this award. It just sent from YouTube. It's from US guys. So I'm just received this. This is the package of this award. So inside there's a wonderful YouTube creator award. It just sent for us. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna see this guys. Okay, you just see that this is the wonderful award. So now I'm gonna open it. Okay, so first I open this package. So this gives us an certificates. So this is the certificate for our YouTube channel reaches 100k subscribers, and they send the wonderful things in this okay, so yeah, here is this guys. So now we go for an award. Okay, it just comes with a beautiful package, and here is our award. So that was wonderful. So you see, here is it. So they just write it presented to Infody for passing in 100,000 subscribers. So by YouTube. So this is the thing. So thank you YouTube. Here is it. There was so beautiful award. And yeah. Okay guys, in this video I showed my creator award guys. I hope you enjoyed this videos guys. So thanks for supporting our channel guys. So keep supporting our channel for more videos. To subscribe our channel guys, and see you next video.